Hi, I'm Derek Hurd with Evolution Wheel, and today I'm going to take you through the newest product line from Evolution Wheel called the EWRS TMF series. It was specifically designed for use on truck-mounted forklifts. We put a lot of engineering and a lot of design work into this tire. Let's walk you through all the features and benefits so you know exactly what to expect. Okay, so the first really distinctive feature that you're going to notice in this product is the tread pattern. The tread pattern was designed for anti-vibration specifically. Reason being is you've got an operator sitting directly over the tire and a ROPS. So if vibration is channeling straight up from the tire, it's going to be going right into the operator and straight into the ROPS cab, which is going to cause vibrations as you're driving down the road on the machine, especially on an improved surface. So what we did was we made the tire anti-vibration so that when it's driving on improved surfaces like concrete and asphalt, it's not vibrating as it's rolling, which is causing shock waves and vibrations to go into the ROPS and into the operator. So the other thing that this tread pattern specifically provides is stability. What I mean by that is that this tread pattern is perfectly symmetrical from left and right. It's a mirror image of itself on both sides of the half. Why that's important on a truck-mounted forklift is when you're carrying a load, if this wasn't a symmetrical tire, you would see lateral movement in your forks. Basically, if you had alternating tread segments, one would be pulling left, the other one would be pulling right as you're driving on an improved surface, and that's going to lead to lateral instability and movement left and right in your forks as you're driving. So, really important to stick with a symmetrical tread pattern on a machine like this to avoid that lateral movement. Okay, so the next thing we need to look at is the core geometry that we selected for this tire design. Again, it was all circled around stability on these machines. The big thing that we did and we wanted to match was the deflection of the tire to a pneumatic. So the core geometry and the rubber compound were both selected so that they match the deflection of a pneumatic tire that would normally be running and operating on one of these machines. Why that's important is for a few reasons. These machines are often working in uneven slopes, which gives it an opportunity for the tire to laterally move sideways. Having good stability in your core geometry is going to prevent rollover and prevent loads from shifting and have maximum safety on these machines. The other thing that we had to consider when we talked about stability and deflection in this tire is when this machine is mounted on the back of a truck and going down the road. We had to make sure that we matched the deflection of the pneumatic that would normally run on these machines. Otherwise, if we didn't have enough deflection or we had too much deflection, we're going to be causing undue wear and tear on the mounting hardware in these machines and on the mast as it's going down the highway. Okay, so the next thing we really need to talk about is tire size and tire fitment. This tire is designed to be a 31, 12 1/4, 20. Usually on these machines, you're going to be running a 31, 15.5, 15 as a pneumatic equivalent. Now, that 31 is diameter, which we matched to make sure that we had good frame clearance and machine fitment. And then in terms of width, the pneumatic is usually going to be 15.5 wide. Now, what people don't really think about is that it's 15.5 at sidewall to sidewall, but at tread, it usually narrows up to about 13 inches. With us, we actually went a full 12 1/4 wide from side to side, which gives us maximum amount of contact and surface area with the ground so we can get that flotation. So that's everything you need to know about the all-new EWRS TMF series tire from Evolution Wheel. I'm Derek Hurd. If you have any questions, give us a call. We're always here to help.